Dear my friends, I'm Dr. Michael Reed, and for more than 30 years I've had the privilege of walking alongside people, just like you, men and women over 50, who are doing their very best to stay healthy, strong, and calm in a world that never seems to slow down. You see, medicine has taught me a lot, but the older I get, the more I realize healing doesn't always come from a pill or a therapy or a fancy procedure. It often begins with a pause, a breath, a moment of awareness when you finally stop and listen to your body. So today I want us to slow down together, to look beyond the numbers on your blood pressure monitor, and finally understand what your body has been trying to tell you all along. Because blood pressure is not your enemy, it's your body's voice. And when you learn to truly listen to really listen, you'll discover that peace and health aren't as far away as you think. Breaking the myth about blood pressure. I've met thousands of patients over 50, and most of them ask me the same question. Doctor, my blood pressure is high. Does that mean I have to live with it forever? I usually smile and tell them, no, not at all. High blood pressure isn't a life sentence. It's a signal, a language your body uses to communicate with you. Our bodies are miraculous. They never do anything for no reason. Every number on that monitor, every fast heartbeat, every short breath. It's your body whispering, I'm worried, I'm scared, I'm tense. But we modern humans often don't listen. We fear the number 140. We panic at 150. And we rush to swallow another pill without asking, why is my body sending this signal? Let me explain it simply. Blood pressure has two numbers, 120 and 80, the ones you know. The top one, systolic, is the pressure when your heart contracts like squeezing a hose to push the water out stronger. The bottom one, diastolic, is the pressure when your heart relaxes and refills. Many people think those numbers are fixed targets, that only 120/80 is ideal. But the truth is, blood pressure isn't a single number. It's a flexible range, changing every minute, every breath, every emotion. When you're worried, it rises a little. When you smile and slow your breathing, it gently falls. And if you calm your mind, even for 60 seconds, those numbers can shift naturally without a single pill. I remember a patient named Margaret, 67, widowed for 3 years. She came to me terrified. Her morning readings were always 160/95. Doctor, she said, I take my medicine. I eat clean. I even do yoga. Why is it still high? I asked Margaret, when do you measure it? She said, right after waking up still in bed. I smiled. And what are you thinking about in that moment? She sighed. Bills, loneliness, and the fear that today won't be any better than yesterday. You see, sometimes blood pressure rises not because your heart is weak, but because your heart is hurting. So we tried something simple. Every morning before checking her blood pressure, she took 1 minute to breathe deeply, slowly, and think of one thing she was grateful for. 3 weeks later, her numbers dropped from 160/95 to 128/84. No extra medication. No miracle. Just a moment of peace. I'm not saying pills don't matter. I'm saying sometimes peace is more powerful than any pill. Root causes of high blood pressure. Our heart is just the pump, but the real story involves your blood vessels, your brain, and your kidneys. Your brain interprets your emotions and decides whether you're in danger or safe. Your kidneys regulate salt and water every hour, every day. And your blood vessels, those delicate highways, mirror your mood. When you're tense, they tighten. When you breathe calmly, they open. Your body isn't fighting you. It's responding faithfully to the way you live, breathe, and feel. High blood pressure doesn't always mean your heart is failing. It often means you're living too fast, worrying too much, or holding on too tight. Take one slow breath right now and exhale. In that single moment, you've changed your physiology. You've become your body's own doctor. Blood pressure is not a punishment. It's a language your body uses to whisper, please, listen to me. And when you do, those numbers tend to quiet down, too. Mastering your body's control switch. After more than 30 years as a doctor, I've realized something profound. The true switch that controls your blood pressure isn't in your heart or your kidneys, it's in your nervous system. Your autonomic nervous system, or ANS, runs the show 24/7. It has two sides, the sympathetic your gas pedal and the parasympathetic your brake. When you're stressed, the gas pedal sticks, heart rate rises, vessels tighten, pressure climbs. The problem is, in today's world, that gas pedal almost never releases. But you can take your foot off the gas through your breath. You can't command your heart to calm down, but you can teach it how by breathing slowly and rhythmically. Science calls it respiratory sinus arrhythmia. When you inhale, your heart speeds up slightly. When you exhale, it slows down. That means every long exhale is a signal to your body. You're safe. Breathe through your nose. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. Do it gently, quietly with your hand on your belly. That activates your vagus nerve, the line connecting your brain, heart, and gut. It releases nitric oxide. No, your body's natural vessel relaxer. Your blood warms your hands, tingle your pressure drops. Swish. 3 slow breaths. That's all it takes to press reset. The foundation of healing nutrition and lifestyle. Sometimes the most powerful medicine isn't in a pill bottle. It's in the way you breathe, eat, and live every single day. Breathe through your nose to boost nitric oxide. Eat foods rich in omega-3 potassium and magnesium. Walk for 15 minutes after meals. Harvard research shows it can lower blood pressure by 30%. And most importantly, sleep. Sleep is your body's free blood pressure medicine. Less than 6 hours a night doubles your risk of hypertension, but just 5 minutes of slow breathing before bed can drop cortisol and invite deep delta wave sleep. Your body doesn't need perfection, it needs consistency, calm, and care. 60-day action plan and final call. Before we end, I want to leave you with this. Your blood pressure isn't your enemy. It's your body's most honest friend. When you're worried, it rises to protect you. When you're calm, it lowers to thank you. Start small. Practice 5 minutes of slow breathing each day. Measure your BP and HRV before and after 60 days, and you'll see the change. Because healing doesn't always mean doing more, it means listening deeper. Remember, a great doctor doesn't just prescribe medicine. A great doctor teaches you to listen to your own body. So take 3 slow breaths. Because maybe what your body needs right now isn't another pill, but 1 minute of peace. Try the 60-day challenge. Breathe, measure, transform. And when you feel the difference, share it. Because someone you love might need this message too. If today's message helped you see your health in a new light, don't keep it to yourself. Someone you love might need to hear this too. Share this video. And if you'd like to keep learning how to heal naturally through your breath, your food, your sleep, and your heart, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Every week, I'll be right here bringing you science compassion and hope to help you understand your body better, one heartbeat at a time. Until next time, take a slow breath. Listen to your body and remember, your health is your power.
Begin by placing your hand gently on your abdomen. Take a slow, deep inhale through the nose.